Hi folks, I'm Mike Berger with LBM Journal, and today I want to introduce you to Outdoor Accents decorative hardware from Simpson Strong-Tie. Outdoor Accents is a collection of products that enables you to bring both structural strength and elegance to any outdoor living structure. Attractive designs give you a stylish alternative to plain lag screws, and a black powder-coated finish ensures an eye-catching appearance. You can complete the look of your outdoor structure with Outdoor Accents essentials and accessories. For example, the hex-head washer and structural wood screw combo that you see here. Now, according to Simpson Strong-Tie, this is the only fastener tested, code listed, and approved for installing Outdoor Accents connectors. So what does this mean for your customers? Well, they can get more done with fewer people and in less time. Now, there's no need for complicated timber framing techniques when you use these components. If you can drive a lag screw, you can quickly assemble any outdoor structure using Outdoor Accents. Outdoor accent components are rigorously tested for strength, so you're going to be sure to have a structure that's going to last for years to come. I'm Mike Berger for LBM Journal. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure to check out all of our others at lbmjournal.com.